Bismillah, alhamdulillah, wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah. Let's take the last part. Rabbi a'udhu bika min adhabin fin nar wa adhabin fil qabr. All words are known to you. Rabbi, O my Rabb. A'udhu, I seek refuge. Bika, in you. Min is from. Adhab is punishment. Fin nar, it is not adhabin nar. Okay? Adhabin fin nar. Punishment in the fire. Okay? Wa adhabin, and adhab and the punishment fil qabr, in the grave. Okay, so let us see what does that mean. Rabbi a'udhu bika min adhabin fin nar wa adhabin fil qabr. Our most important concern is to save ourselves from the punishment in the hell. That's why we are saying adhabin fin nar, or in the grave. The heaven or the hell is the last stage of our journey, and grave is the first stage, and we want protection from punishment in both the stages. By the way, there is a difference between punishment of the fire, adhabin nar, waqina adhaban nar, you remember that, and punishment in the fire, min adhabin fin nar. In the hellfire, different people will be tortured in different ways because of different types of their sins. Astaghfirullah. People will be thrown upside down into the hell. Boiling water will be their drink, which will cut their intestines. Zaqqum, a thorny tree, will be their food. Then they will be dragged around in the fire. Chain will be placed in their necks, and hot boiling water will be poured on their heads. Their skin will be continuously replaced every time it is burned out. Some will have their lips cut by scissors. Some will be resurrected as blind, deaf, and dumb. Say, "Oh Allah, save us from all these punishments. Help us avoid the sins and give us tawfiq to do our best to do in this world all the good things in the world." Let us practice. Analyze and memorize. So here there are two things, and under each of them you have two. Rabbi a'udhu bika min al-kasali wa su'il kibar. Rabbi a'udhu bika min adhabin fin nar wa adhabin fil qabr. Please visit understandquran.com for our courses on Read Al-Quran, Learn Tajweed, and Understand Al-Quran, and for one-to-one learning. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum